Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here. Today I am here to share with you my December 2021 Boxycharm. If you guys are not familiar with this box, a little bit about the subscription that I get. I do get the Boxycharm Premium. There are 3 different levels to this. You can get the base box, the premium, or the luxe. I'm not quite sure how much the base box is. I want to say it's $25.99, but I will put a link to the Boxycharm website down below so you guys can go and check it out on your own. I do pay $39.99 for the premium box, and the luxe I want to say is either $49.99 or $59.99, and it is one that you get every 3 months. Like I said, I will link it down below, so feel free to go and check it out. And let's get started on our unboxing. The Boxycharm Premium boxes are always blue on the inside, and it does say premium, so you know what you're getting. It is always boxed really well. Here's what the inside looks like. And I'm going to put my glasses on so I can read about this stuff with you guys. I apologize in advance for the glare, but I want to make sure that I give you all accurate information. All right, always comes with a card that has product descriptions. This is Boxycharm Gift of Glam. How pretty is that? And then on this side, it has all the product information. This is the box that I got. They do customize the boxes to fit your likes and dislikes. When you subscribe, you'll fill out a questionnaire and you'll be able to tell them what types of things you like, what you don't like, your skin tone, your eye color. Do you want more makeup? Do you want more skincare in your boxes? And then you get a box customized just to you and your likes. So that's why I showed you the number. Wow, there's a lot more in here than I thought. You do get to pick items too. I know you get to pick at least 1 item a month, and I honestly cannot remember what I picked for this box. Now, the first thing I got looks really interesting. It's 2 different colored pencils. I'm going to have to read about it to see what they are, though, because the last time I assumed it was a lip liner. It was a red eyeliner and eyebrow pencil. Yeah. So let's read about these. So these are creamy, long-lasting, rich colors to line or fill the lips. So those are really pretty colors. Those will match a lot of the lipsticks that I have. I have so many lipsticks, but yeah, these will definitely match. All right, let's open the next thing. So we have Elemis Superfood Matcha Eye Dew Refreshing Eye Gel. This is 15 milliliters. I love Elemis and I love matcha. I've heard it's super good for the skin. It's got a lot of health benefits, period. But yes, here's what this looks like. And it has the pointy tipped applicator. Read about this here really quick. Elemis Superfood Matcha Eye Dew. It has a $39 value. It says, this cooling eye gel with matcha, kiwi, honeydew melon, and prebiotic immediately quenches and hydrates the eye area throughout the day. That sounds fantastic. Very excited to have that. There's so much in this box. When I first opened it, I kind of took a quick peek at it and I was like, oh, there's not very much in it. But now I'm looking at it and there's a ton. All right. So this is the IDAZ. Is that, or is it Ideas? I don't know how you say that. But it is a Gymnastic water fit mask. And it says, provides a truly moisturizing solution for your skin to treat delicate skin which has been stressed by internal and environmental factors. That'd be me. Let's open it and see what it is. Oh, there's several face masks in here. So we've got 5 face masks. It is a sheet mask that you're going to wear for 10 to 20 minutes. And then you take it off and you just pat the rest of the serum into your skin. Nice, nice, nice. Y'all know I love my face mask. Let's check the price point on that one. So IDAZ Gymnastic Water Fit Mask, and it has an MSRP of $20. So that's $4 a mask. That's, I bet they're really nice. Okay, next we have Styla Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. Kind of hard to read because of the glare, or because it's reflective, I'm sure. But always happy to have a new mascara. Always happy. I'm not going to open it yet because I do have some that I'm currently using. This packaging though, guys, how fun is that? Look, it's kind of got like an animal print or brush print down on the end. And it's really heavy. Oh my. Jen got some heavy mascara. So Styla Huge Extreme Lash Mascara, $23 value. Dare to be huge. Styla's volumizing long wearing mascara drenches every lash in intense triple black pigments and builds unstoppable color for the boldest, blackest lashes ever. Sold. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. All right. I think we have two more things, guys. I'm going to open this next. This is by Epione, Beverly Hills, and it is Flawless Serum. That's how you pronounce it. And this box, it's one of the really super soft feeling ones. Yeah, that's right. Jen gets excited about boxes. What can I say? Ooh, oh my. Check out this packaging. It's square shaped. And then it's got the pump applicator on the top. I almost feel like it might be like a primer or something. Like this is what, you know when you put a really good primer and it makes your face feel all nice and soft and silky? That's what this feels like. So we have the Epione Skincare Beverly Hills Flawless Serum. And it is $195 value. Wow. It's brand new to Boxy. It does say that on here. I'm going to read the entire description because I am intrigued by a $195 anything. So it says, a powerful serum that reduces the appearance of lines and wrinkles, tightens and firms while providing the skin surface with a protective barrier. Helps retain water in the corneous layer of the skin, making the skin appear plump and radiant. I wonder how many times a day you use this. Let's get the bottle back out and do a little bit of looking. So this says, apply during the evening to affected areas or as directed by a physician. That's what that looks like. Definitely interesting. I'm sorry, but I want to try it. Let's see here. I just want a little bit on my hand. I want to see what it looks like. I'm so intrigued now because it's so expensive. All right, all right. It's just a clear drop or a clear serum. No smell. Oh my. That is like a really thick, oh, it makes you soft. I can definitely see how this would be moisturizing. I mean, seriously, that one little drop covers my entire hand. I'm trying not to waste it. Still no smell, but guys, my entire hand is so silky soft now. Wow. That's fantastic. I'm excited to give that a try. Very nice. Thank you, Boxycharm, because I could never afford $195 anything otherwise. And then the last thing that we have is in bubble wrap. This is Kenya Antiveros Beauty Glow and Go Kit. I think this is what I picked, if I remember right, which there's a really good chance I don't. Here's what the palette case looks like. And it's kind of got like an alligator skin texture. Can you guys see that? That's pretty. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Does have a color saver. It's got a mirror on this side, but I'm going to cover that up. Here is what we have. So it looks like a highlighter, bronzer, some blushes, and then up here, I believe, are the eyeshadows. But look at this one. It has 2 shades in it. We've got some glitters and some shimmers and some mattes. Very, very pretty. Very pretty. I mean, you could almost use even these down here for eyeshadows as well. Some nice base colors there. Very pretty. Definitely not disappointed to have that. Right up my alley with the colors, too. All right. Let's see how much we got here. Kenya Antiveros Beauty Glow and Go Kit. It has a $48 suggested retail price. And it says, shine all year round with the Glow and Go Kit, designed in a sleek, travel-friendly palette filled with Kenya's favorite shades. This is an all-in-one kit and all you need for everyday glow or touch-ups on the go. Very nice. I like this for sure. All right, guys, I will let you go. If you wouldn't mind doing the whole thumbs up, subscribe thing right here in the corner, or there's a red subscribe button down below this video. I would truly appreciate it. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family and to have the opportunity to get to know you better. I hope you guys have a fantastic holiday season if I get this up before Christmas. If not, then enjoy your new year, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.